You guys, I don't know if y'all can see me with the glare. I'm on my way home. I totally forgot, you guys. Check your app. We actually got the Epic Beauty extra care bucks. Like, I was so excited when I checked my account this morning. So I got a total of $57 total. So I'm gonna add that to this video, and it's gonna be a massive money maker, y'all. Massive. So check your accounts. Good morning, guys. Saving with Shay. I am at CVS, you guys, for my video. I almost didn't make it here today because I feel like the deals are so slow. But I was like, look, I'm gonna run these deals across the board. So I did some of them yesterday at this same store that I had that situation with, and I'm here again today. So I did a rant video for you guys, and I almost didn't post that video, y'all. And I do it all the time where I record a video and I never post it because it's like almost like I don't want to give it the energy. I don't want to give it my energy, and so I posted it because I want to let y'all know it don't always go right for me. Like, it don't always go perfect. Like, I might do my video and everything might be all peachy cherry perfect, but believe me, it's not always peachy perfect in the store. And so that's why I wanted to post that video for you guys. But let me assure you guys, 95, probably 98% of the time, things go right. You know, 98% of the people that I deal with, managers, associates, I'm cool with. They're cool with me. You know what I mean? It's just, I have like that one that just, you know, I have that one. And it's like, the better part of me doesn't want to be petty. And she wants to just flood you with love and flipping butterflies and rainbows and unicorns until you cave to my awesomeness. The petty person in me wants to let you see my lovely face every day, since guess what? I don't have to be here. You do. I don't have to be here. And so, yeah, make you see my face every day. That's the difference between my pettiness and the part of me that just wants to just shower you with freaking love and you're gonna like me. No, you gonna like me. But still gonna come to the store, you guys. I'm not gonna rearrange my schedule and come different hours of the day just to avoid you. I'm not doing that. I'm not even a night person, y'all. Like, I'm beyond past the days of going out after. Like, if I can go and do my deals in the morning before after I drop Josiah off at school, I do. I go back home and I chill, y'all. I'm not the one going to CVS and going to stores all different times of the day. That used to be the old Shay, but the new Shay is just like, no, I'd rather be home. And so I'm not gonna rearrange my schedule just because I don't like you. And so I came here yesterday, yes. I was here Sunday, and that day that it happened, I came on Monday, yes. And today is Tuesday. I came today too. And the associate was here. And honestly, I feel like she's one of those people that's easily influenced by the manager that don't like me. And I feel like when she's on her own, like today, that girl was peachy cherry. You know, she was a homie today. But yesterday she was like, oh, her real best friend is there. I'm the fake best friend. And so, yeah, but I will still shop here. If you're new here and it's your first time seeing this lovely face, I'm Shay. Definitely make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you smash the like button. There's a push, girl. And don't forget to make sure your post notifications are on so you never miss out on the video. So listen, I did some deals yesterday. I just did some more deals today. I'll have a Google Doc for you guys to follow. I know you guys really enjoy the Google Docs. I'll have that. I'll probably use the same one from my last video though. Other than that, you guys, I will leave it there because this intro got hella long. And I will see you guys in the store for some awesome deals. So definitely keep on watching. All right, guys. So this first deal that we're going to do again is on the All May. All May this week is spend 15, get back 5 with a limit of 6. Now, I only have one store in my area that carries the eyeshadows, which are the cheapest product. Here at my store, they're priced at $8.49. And so for this, and the limit on this is 6, okay? So for this, we're going to go ahead and grab 2 of the eyeshadows priced at $8.49. Now that total is going to come to $16.98, and then we'll be using a $3 coupon from our inserts. Now I meant to mention this in my last video, but the $3 coupon is on the eye product. Now this one works for this deal. I've also used the face one as well. That also works. And then on top of that, we're going to be using a $2 CRT as well, which will then bring the total down to you paying $8.98 out of pocket. But we're going to be getting back $5 in extra care bucks and then $3 for each on Ibotta, making this a $2.02 moneymaker. Next up is the Axe body wash. There goes my OCD tendencies. It's priced at $6.49. It's buy one get one 50% off, and it's also buy two get back 5. This is the only store that carries a body wash, so we're gonna grab 2 of them. A total is $9.74 using a 4 off 2 coupon from our inserts. We'll pay $5.74 but get back 5 in extra care bucks, another $1.50 for each on Fetch Reward, making this a $2.26 moneymaker. Right, so this next deal is on the Crest slash Oral-B. This is a really easy newbie friendly deal. And so it's buy 3 get back 5. They're priced at $3.99. So for this deal, I'm grabbing 3 of the toothpaste. Now for this, we have a $2 coupon from P&G Good Every Day that you can print. There's also a 5 off 3 digital, as well as a 2 off of 1 digital as well that is glitching. We're also going to be grabbing the toothbrushes, and this store is completely out of them, but they're also priced at $3.99. And for this one, we have a 2 off of 1 digital, and then we also have a $2 coupon from P&G Good Every Day. Now for this, again, we're grabbing 3 of each. The total is going to come to $23.94. We're using 1 printable for each. We're also going to have both digitals for $2 come off, as well as a 5 off 3. So we'll pay $10.94 out of pocket, and then we'll get back 10, making it only 15 cents each. All right, so this next deal is on trial size. It is spend 15, get back 3. So for this, I got this idea from Amy. So the John Frieda are priced at $3.29, and there's a rebate on Ibotta for $2, making that only $1.29. If you want to grab 5, you can pay $16.45. You'll get back 10 on Ibotta, 3 in extra care bucks. It'll be $3.45 for a total of 5 of them. So I'm going to go ahead and grab 2 of the John Frieda. And then I'm also going to be grabbing the Cetaphil as well, which are priced at $4.29, using 2 of the printables here. That's going to bring that total down to you paying $7.16 out of pocket, but you'll get back 3 in extra care bucks plus 4 on Ibotta, making them only 4 cents each. All right, so next up is the Dove. Dove is buy one, get one 50% off, and it's also buy 2, get back 3. Now for this, I've been using the $2 hang tags I found at Walmart. Using 2 of those, it's gonna bring that total down to $3.79 out of pocket, getting back 3 in extra care bucks. It makes them 39 cents each. Now I did try using the $3 off 2 coupon to see if it would glitch with the $2 digital, and for me, it did not. So I went ahead and used the hang tags instead. Next up is the L'Oreal. It's 2 for $9. It's also buy 2 get back 2. And for this, I've been using the 4 off of 2 hang tag. I found them here at CVS as well as Walmart. It is glitching with the 3 off of 2 digital. You'll pay 2 and get back 2, making them both absolutely free. All right, so last but not least, if you haven't had a chance to smash that like button, you guys, go ahead and do that. It's the easiest thing you can support the channel. So this last deal is on the Suave. It is buy one, get one 50% off. It's also buy 2, get back 2. And so for this, we're gonna grab 1 at $3.19. The second one is gonna be $1.60. Total is $4.79. Now I am using a 2 off of 2 printable that I got from my Ip Fairy. I wound up paying $2.79, getting back the 2, making these only 39 cents each. And here is our complete haul for today, you guys. Everything worked out really good. Like, all I really did was rinse and repeat what we did on Sunday. Only extra deal that I did was the deal on the trial size, which is spend 15, get back 3. One thing I want to mention really quick though, as far as my little rant from yesterday, in our area, you guys, we only have 2 stores that do have self-checkout, and they won't allow us to use it. Like, the couponers can't use self-checkout. And so, of course, I'd rather use self-checkout sometimes, but again, it's not an option for me all the time. It just really depends on what cashier is there. And if the cashier doesn't really care, and they usually don't have a problem with me using it, but overall, they don't want couponers using self-checkout. All right. And so, but other than that, you guys, this haul worked out really, really good. Only deal that I probably will do again is going to be the trial size deal. If John Frieda resets, that would be awesome. I might even try doing 3 John Friedas and 1 Cetaphil next time around, since the limit on Ibotta on that is 5. And then shout out to Amy for that deal. She mentioned somebody else that did it, and so I went ahead and tried it. Ordered the $4 printables. I have the $3 coupon too, but I figured, hey, if I could pay $1.50 for a set of printables and save an extra dollar per coupon, then why not? So if John Frieda resets, I'll do that deal again. If it doesn't, just doing like 4 Cetaphils is going to be a moneymaker. So definitely awesome deal on that. And so other than that, you guys, everything else worked out really good as far as today. These are the same deals. All I did is rinse and repeat, y'all, to be honest. My receipts are my receipts, and they're the same as they were on Sunday, to be honest. Only actual CRT that I did have today was on the $2 coupon on the Almay. And that deal, I don't think it's going to reset on Ibotta anymore for me. I think I may have maxed it out already. If it does reset on Ibotta, then I'll probably do that deal again, because I do have another card that has a $2 Almay coupon or CRT. And then also that $3 coupon off eye and face, it does work on these as well. Other than that, you guys, everything else worked out really good today. So our total for everything you see here is $188.18. I had $99 in coupon CRTs or digitals, which brought the out of pocket down to $89.18. And then this is $14.90 in sales tax. So $89.18 out of pocket. I do walk away with $69 in extra care bucks from the actual deals, and then I did get back a total of $57 from the Epic Beauty event, which I never counted it to start with because I didn't know how they were gonna do it. But since we got it back, and I got back 57 total across 4 cards. I didn't get anything on my 5th card. I have $57 total that I'm adding to this haul, you guys. So getting back a total of $126 total in extra care bucks, and then $10 from Ibotta. And getting back $1.50 for 3 of those, since I only had 3 redemptions left for the axe. So $4.50 back from Fetch Reward. So we get back a total of $140.50, bringing this to a $51.32 moneymaker, which is just flipping awesome. And even after our $15 in tax, it's still a $36.42 moneymaker. So other than that, guys, in the comments with the Epic Beauty event, how much did you guys get back? And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.